What's for dinner tonight? How about 蒜蓉粉絲蒸蝦, also known as steamed shrimp and vermicelli with garlic sauce. This is so good. Let's get started. Start by soaking the bean thread vermicelli with warm water. This is the brand that I'll be using today. Next, mince the garlic and chop the green onions. Now we can prepare the sauce. It's very easy. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Slice along the back curve of the shrimp. The important thing is do not rush the process, okay? One wrong move and you could lose a finger. Remember to remove the sharp pointed fin in the tail. Give each shrimp a thorough wash and make sure you remove the digestive tract. In a cold pan, combine 4 tablespoons of oil and the minced garlic, then turn on the heat. Once it's golden, immediately pour into the sauce and stir. Now we can assemble the dish. First, strain the vermicelli until dry. Next, mix 2 spoons of the sauce with the vermicelli so that the base has flavor. Now we can beautifully line up the shrimp. Pour any remaining sauce onto the shrimp and place the pan into a steamer on high heat for exactly 5 minutes. Now, you don't have to use shrimp, you can use oysters or even salmon, but make sure you adjust the time of steaming accordingly. Personally, I prefer shrimp, and I know that your kids will love it too.
好似好醒目喎。
Once it's done, we can add the scallions and pour some hot oil on top. My favorite part of this dish has to be the vermicelli because it soaks up all the sauce and all the flavor. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.